BMW, of course. No, it's an Infinity. You're just gonna stop right there. That's great. It's like it never occurs to people to move closer to the sidewalk so that you know, a bus won't hit you. Pay attention. Before I get run over by you, and you're racing to get to a stoplight. Can't even stay on the wrong side of the road. Look at that, on the wrong side of the street. Let's see, how much is the gas? $4.69, super. Good luck with that. He's technically on the wrong side. It's just two sides. See, that's one way. That is coming this way. And he's supposed to go around. You're not supposed to cut through like a maniac. This is how you're supposed to do it. But you know, that's how people are. They almost run people over. Thank you.
No problem.
Nice turn signal. But you can just know they're sort of out of it, not paying attention. Or they're drunk, or whatever's wrong with them. He's racing to get to a stoplight. You know, you gotta angle yourself in better. If you were over here and you go right in. But I can't tell people how to drive. If you'll come out more and going straight, there'll be enough room. There's more than enough room for him to fit. More than enough room. See? That's easy. You should learn the size of your car. That's all you gotta do. John L. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Here come these cars speeding down like maniacs on the wrong side of the road.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day. For G? Good.